Welcome, everybody.
Bon dia, buenos dias. My name is Diana,
And my name is Uwe.
and we are so happy and humbled to be at the Congress 2022 in Barcelona with you. So, what can we offer to you?
One of the workshop is about relationship. You can come if you have troubles in your relationships, or you can come as single person that you search a new partner or a partner as well. And that's the topic. And the second one is
About your purpose in life. So, whatever you're looking for, we will work with a gong, we will work with shamanic drums, and we work with a high energy level. So, you're very welcome.
very
If you
welcome. We will lift it up here in a deeply state of meditations, and you can find your desires. And thank you for coming, and we see you on 10th and 11th.
at our workshop parties. Thank you and namaste. Happy to see you there.
Happy to see you.